In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller. This is going to work with the original Switch, the Switch 2, whatever you might be using. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you're going to need to remove that Joy-Con from your Nintendo Switch. On the back of the Joy-Con, press and hold the small little release button up at the top, and while holding it, slide that Joy-Con upward to detach it from the console. On Switch 2, it is a little bit different as well. You have to press and hold, and then of course kind of pull it out a little bit. But once it's out, you're going to see a small little sync button on the side of the Joy-Con. It's like a tiny little black button near the rail. Go ahead and press that button once and you'll notice the indicator light turns off and your Switch screen controller will no longer show as active. This effectively resets the connection. From here, press any button on the Joy-Con, for example the A button, and the light will come back on and it should automatically attempt to reconnect to your Switch. If it doesn't, just simply slide it back into the console, line it up with the rail, and then of course slide it down until you hear that click. And as soon as you hear that click, it's going to automatically pair once again. But that is it. That is how you can reset a Joy-Con controller. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.